Keith, let's go to you. I mean, there's a lot of people out there that look at patents, in particular patents around software, and say, blow up the whole system, right? That this is just, all this money's going into legal work that could be going into cool code, and are really frustrated with the system. I mean, it sounds like what you're doing at the Open Invention Network, and you're working with companies like Red Hat, that, good, solid open source citizens, and other companies like Sony and NEC, to sort of use the system itself to help make it stronger. Tell us about, I think we understand what you're doing in terms of buying IP, licensing it in exchange for people not suing and give those patent grants back. But what other things could the open source community and industry do together within the system to, make open source software less risky to build a more strong ecosystem?
I think going forward, one of the important things is to mobilize the creativity that's represented here in the broader community and provide a vehicle provide rights protection for ideas. That right protection, not that it's assertable, but that it prevents others from inventing things that have been done or thought of by anyone in the open source community. And one way of doing that is something called a defensive publication. It can be produced in a matter of hours. Once it's produced, it publishes immediately. You don't have to wait for a period of years for it to grant. You don't have to worry about claim scope reduction in the PTOs around the world. And what it essentially does is create an impediment and a path to people attempting to create fundamental patents that would thereby create an opportunity for aiding of the development of the community, advancement of the community, the particular application area. And so that to me is one way of allowing all this creativity to actually be harnessed in a way that allows for it to serve as an anti-patent, an antidote to the past and the present, and create a future that is very, very dynamic and very enabling, very open.